veneer teeth replacement. After the lifespan of your ceramics or porcelain has come to the end of its life, you might be considering what is the procedure to remove that ceramic and have them replaced. The procedure is quite similar to when you first had it done, 3 stages over a 4 to 6 week process. The difference lies in how the ceramic and porcelain is removed. There are different methods that exist, some which are more damaging to the tooth underneath, others which are more exacting and a lower risk to the teeth. And it really involves using magnification on the teeth and stripping back the layers carefully. And this comes with your dentist understanding which material or ceramic you've had. Our instruments are changed and adjusted according to the type of material you've got. This can cause less vibration against the teeth underneath, causing less risk to the nerve. As you might know, the nerve within each tooth can get aggravated as a result of any veneer procedure. The risk increases when you have your veneers replaced. There are methods to reduce that risk, and I would encourage everyone to explore what those methods are before having them replaced, so that when you do get to that point of treatment, you can go through it knowing that you're at the lowest risk possible.